My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? So today's is gonna be kind of like a mini SHEIN haul, and maybe I'll just like show you guys. I ordered some stuff from BoxyCharm pop-up shop, so I mean, I guess I can include it in this video as well. Might as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Where do I want to begin? Okay, let me start with these pants. Well, they're more like leggings. Yeah, the material is definitely a legging material, but so they're black, but on the side we have this sheer mesh with like a crisscross pattern and some rhinestones. So I'm just going to try this on with a sweater from Fashion Nova. So let me do just that and I will be back. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I got these in a size large, and the length is good. And if you have not watched my videos before, you just haven't heard me, I am 5'10", so that gives you an idea of the length. I think it's really cute with the sheer mesh on the side, but unless you're wearing a longer top like this, I mean, I guess you would have to go without any sort of panties, because clearly you can see mine. I think the large fits well, and yeah, I think they're super cute. I could also wear this with, like, you know what I should have paired it with? Just like a tee like this or something. I think that would be super cute. But anyways, I'm not putting outfits together. I'm just trying on what I got from SHEIN. So, alright, next, let's do this dress. I love me some fringe, so I saw this fringe dress and could not resist. It does have adjustable straps. I got this in a size large as well. And let's go see what she looks like. So here is the fringe skirt. I am in love with this. It's super comfortable. It's not too tight. I love that the straps are adjustable. And I mean, I don't know what else I can say about it. It's a super cute, like, really sexy, comfortable dress. So here is the back. Yeah, I really like this dress. I just paired it with some cute little leopard kitten heels. Alright, next is a bodysuit. You guys watch my channel, you know me well enough that you knew a bodysuit was coming. So, and another fringe moment. So this is a one shoulder fringe bodysuit, clearly. I got this in a size large as well. And I'm gonna try it on with, I just have this skirt down here that I'll try it on with. So I will be back. Okay, here is the bodysuit, which I also absolutely adore. So it fits very comfortably. A lot of bodysuits can be uncomfortable as far as length because I am so tall, but this is a very good length. And I mean, look how cute it is. It does have the traditional like 3-button closure in the crotch area, and yeah. So I also did get a pair of shoes that I might as well just try on with this. So I got these slide-on mules that are clear, but they have rhinestones. It's like the multicolor iridescent rhinestones and just regular clear. And here is the heel. So let's try these babies on. I got these in, the sticker says 44, but on the back it says 45. I don't know, I wear a size 10, so I'm sure that's what I chose. They do feel a little big though. Yeah, they are a little big, but I would rather them be big than too small, especially since it's like plastic. I don't want to be getting blisters, so yeah, these are super cute. And the last item I got is another bodysuit, and a Sequin Bodysuit at that. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's like a champagne, and I really like how the sleeves are. They're elasticized, but it's kind of like it's not a bell sleeve, but I don't know what you would call this. So I'm just gonna try this on with the same skirt, and I'll be back. Oh my god, yeah, I'm obsessed. I really, really, really like this. So, okay, let me talk about fit. It fits great. I got this in a size large. Once again, length is good for me. So, tall girls, it will be good. Loving these sleeves. I don't know what you call them, but I'm loving them. Like maybe balloon sleeves. I don't know if that's even a thing, but if it's not, it should be. And I decided to pair it with these Fashion Nova jeans and then this clear and like golden rhinestone belt that I got from SHEIN as well. And I just think the whole outfit is dope. I really love this bodysuit. The only thing I don't like about it is my hair is getting caught in the sequins. But the price we pay to wear glittery things. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Alright, you guys wanna see the few things I got from BoxyCharm Pop-Up? Okay, I got this Bumble & Bumble Surf Styling Leave-In. I love Bumble & Bumble products. They're one of my favorite hairstyle brands all around. So this says, this beachy gel cream conditions, detangles, and fights frizz for soft, sea-swept waves. Flex-style blend adds light hold and flexibility so you can style and restyle all day. Formulated with UV filters to help protect hair from the drying effects of the sun. So you work evenly into towel-dried hair, leave in, and go. And I've been air drying my hair a lot, so I love that it is a leave-in product for air drying. Oh my gosh, I don't remember exactly how much I got this for. I want to say $18, but considering it's like almost $100 at Sephora, I got the Sunday Riley Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. This is one of the most amazing skincare products I've ever used. It smells horrible, but the effects are magical. It says deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly it brightens the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. Instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. And it really does that. I don't even know how to put into words how amazing this makes your skin look after you put it on. It makes it look glowy and youthful, and if I'm super dry and like haven't exfoliated in a while, I can actually like see the dead skin like sloughing off. I know that's really gross, but it just goes to show how well it works. Okay, this is my second bottle of this. I adore it, and I love it even more because I got it for a lot cheaper than it originally is. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist, 24K, gold infused, hydrate, prime, and set. I love the Farsali products, and this is, I think, just a really beautiful setting spray. Okay. As you can see, it does have like gold flecks in there. And then I got a couple brushes. I got the Fenty Beauty Precision Blending Brush 230. Now I do have her like foundation brush, which I actually really like. I think this is $24 on Sephora, and I got it for $4. Oh, I thought this was going to be more like a fluffing blending brush, but it's actually more of like an E25 kind of packing blending brush. If you can see that. It's really soft though. And then I also got, this is the Morphe M532 Deluxe Highlight Brush. I don't think I have this one. I do not. It kind of just looks like a blending brush. I mean, I guess you could use it for either. Alright guys, so that was everything I got from SHEIN and BoxyCharm pop-up. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite piece was. And I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.